At Wren House Studio, and we've been looking at 8 steps in the creative process for justice and harmony for all. There's no perfect way to move through the world, and so I'm adding a step 9. Step 9 in the creative process would be to shake it off, to remember every day to be like a duck. I have ducks in my cove right out here who get into big squabbles. Usually it's the males, and they rise up chest to chest, and they make a lot of noise. And then they subside, and they float back a few feet from one another, and almost like a dance, they shake their bodies, and they shake it off. And then they dip, and they dip, and they shake, and they dip, and they shake. Step 9 is to shake off everything that life brings to us on a regular basis, to shake it off and see where we stand once we shake it off. And then remind ourselves to begin again. Like one of my teachers says, rinse and repeat. In Buddhism 101, we're reminded that all living beings, no matter where they come from, no matter what their economic strata, their educational background, or their current situation is, all living beings simply want to be happy. We all want to live our lives. We want to live our lives. We want to have a fondest dream that we can turn into a vision that can be manifest. We want to be able to be educated, which means to research our dream, our calling, our destiny, and our vision. We want to be able to take action freely. We want to be able to evolve our creative voice and bring change to the world as an individual and as part of a harmonious collective. We want to be able to recognize that we all have a shadow and we fall short, and that we get up and we start again, and we get up when we fall and we start again. We all have a yearning to share from our deepest heart and soul. We all have a need to grow up and to be willing to recognize that we just haven't got it right. We will never get it all right all the time. Even up until the moment of our death, we'll be learning how to leave gracefully, how to leave with dignity. This is Iona at Wren House Studio. Today is our 9th step in the creative process of 8 steps, where we shake it off, we dip and rinse, and we begin again. Thank you so much.